The XE pump will enter priming mode anytime power is applied to the pump, when first exiting programming mode, and when an interval programmed with a speed follows an interval programmed as stop. If you determine that priming is not needed for your application, you do have the ability to disable priming mode on the XE pump. At any point during normal operation, you can simply press and hold the button. Ignore the first rapidly flashing LEDs and continue to hold the button down. Once the LEDs begin flashing for the second time, release the button. The pump will stop briefly and then start again. To enable priming mode again, follow the same steps. Hold down the button until the LEDs rapidly flash for the second time. Once the LEDs have rapidly flashed for the second time, you can release the button. Now priming has been enabled.